If you want to improve your stress management, improve your degree of enthusiasm for your work. Enthusiasm generates a lot of power. The brain secretes chemicals, adrenaline. It helps us to work faster, harder, better, and longer. Enthusiasm refocuses on our purpose, our why of we're doing this. We may be a small cog in the big wheel of things here, and we may not see what we're doing is very important, but we actually do have an important role. And when we put enthusiasm in that important role, guess what? We do it well, we'll be given a bigger wheel to run, and then a bigger wheel to run, because people recognize we are a doer. We're someone who achieves. We're someone who's committed. We're someone who puts their heart into it. Enthusiasm is an energy. It is a commitment. It is a mindset. And when you have that enthusiasm working for you, stress starts to fall away because you focus on the right things. You focus on the things that take you further, farther, and better.